Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Lesotho's Events Calendar. Welcome and welcome and welcome guys. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, share our content with your friends, tell a friend to come and subscribe. Help a sister to grow, guys. Please, I beg of you. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get to today's news. Well, Julius Malema has something to say. Finally, on Senzo Meyiwa's murder trial. We have been longing to hear his side of you for a long. Well, it happened this time when Advocate Tefo withdrew from the case. He said, "Even if they steal my chickens, I will never call Advocate Tefo to represent me. I'm sorry, but Advocate, I'll feel the same way." Anyway, let's hear what he has to say on Advocate Tefo and Khumalo. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
I'm very sympathetic to that issue of Senzo Meyiwa. But I'm not sympathetic to Advocate Tefo. He's disrespectful. And he thinks this thing is about him. He has made the whole case about him. And that's why we can sit here to be asked a question about the advocate instead of being asked, how is the case going? Are you happy? We're not being asked about the case. I think he speaks loosely. You know, I've got chickens where I stay, in Polokwane. Hard body. If you want one, I can give you. Mlekwa. Even if they steal those chickens of mine, I will not call Advocate Tefo to represent me. Never. There is no skill at all. There is no decorum at all. He has got no respect for the bench at all. And he deserves no title of an advocate. I hope he doesn't belong to any bar, because if there is any bar, it must take action on him. How does a lawyer, Floyd, say in court this fucked up situation? A lawyer? Wartloela. He undermines all of us, actually. You can't use such language in a court of law. You might disrespect that guy. But once he's sitting on top there, he's the court. The day he used such language, and the day he has been exchanging the way he was exchanging with the judge, I knew this guy deserves not to be called an advocate. For sure, it's those other advocates, you see, not of going to that thing, what do you call it? I don't think he went to pupillage, that one. Because the pupillage will have taught him the discipline. We can be angry anyhow, but the courts must be respected. If he starts speaking like that to our judges, then everybody is going to do that. And then we'll have nowhere to run to. So I don't believe there is any Cyril who concocted anything on that guy. He's self-destructive, and he's got himself to blame. He throws people's names loosely. He doesn't back them up with anything. Look, we hold a view, and a very strong view, that Senzo was killed. And those people in the house know who killed Senzo. We're more than convinced. Personally, I'm more than convinced Kelly knows. I'm more than convinced that she knows something. And there must be a way she must be held accountable. But it must be done in an orderly manner, so that its outcome is not questionable.